Before anything else, we would like to welcome our main admins. Namama ko sa oo. Admin Annie and Admin Big Sir Big, no? Palakpakan muna po natin sila after a long drive. And umuulan ngayon, such a blessing for all of us. Okay, may we hear some words from our admin Annie? Yes. The lady in red, the beautiful lady in red. Asa na mga kamay? Ng Laguna, Quezon Chapter.
Ay, sorry po. Marami pinibigyan.
You're welcome. Ang sarap naman pakinggan ng pangalan, tinatawag din mo.
Una-una, I would like to thank si Ma'am Didon. Andito po siya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong presence, Ma'am. And then, I believe, nandun din yung ating friend, ano po pangalan nila, sir? Scott Davis po. Nagkabang po kami niya sa Divisoria. Nagkaagulutan kami dalawa. Yes po. Now, thank you for the opportunity and the privilege na binigyan niyo kami na ma-invite. Bakit ka kagani sa video? May mga creative na pagka-core lang kailangan. Inano ko na lang po, tinat ko na lang po yung letter ko. From the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po to each every one of you, to our dear and admins and admins po. Thank you for your love, dedication, and tireless effort. Your teamwork, generosity, and servant-hearted leadership made our Christmas celebration truly meaningful, vibrant, and filled with joy. You showed what it means to serve the passion, with passion, unity, integrity. Grabe ang puso ninyo para sa ating pamilyang mga seniors. To our beloved members, thank you for unwavering support, your presence, your excitement that made the event shine even brighter. Your smiles, hindi po tayo. Your smiles, your participation, your love for our community completed the celebration and made it truly memorable. This Christmas, we didn't just celebrate a season, we celebrated family, friendship, faith, and the beautiful bond of the PSOTP SNI Laguna chapter. Together, we create a celebration with a band, overflowing with laughter and shared blessings. May the spirit of Christmas continue to inspire us to grow in unity, kindness, and purpose. To God be all the glory. Sa amin po, mahal po namin, we love you. Mula po sa ating puso, i-amin Vic. Merry Christmas again po. Thank you.
Sis Beron. Thank you, Admin Annie. So, I assume everybody is rumbling with your tummy, no? Okay, so, pwede na? Pwede na tayo mag-lunch? Anyway, nandito na si yung couple, the special couple for today. Si Sir Pete. Sir Pete, paki-welcome na rin daw po yung group namin. Although, nasa closing remark system. Ngayon na rin.
Hello, welcome po dito sa bahay namin. Alam ko naman na once a year, meron tayong Christmas party. At alam ko rin na tayo ay sabik makita yung mga kaibigan natin. No, sabik na sabik tayo. Every time meron tayong occasion na gathering ito I feel very happy. At last, kahit sa mukha lang, nakikita tayo. Nakikita ko na naman yung tatlo nating beautiful lady admin, si admin Jacinta, si admin Carmen, at lady nating admin si David Benjamin. At ang pinaka-pogi nating admin si admin Dominador, kasama ang kanyang mataling na kaibigan. Ma'am Sophie, Salamat po sa pangatlong pagkakataon umatin kayo dito. Kami umatin din sa 100 year ninyo noon. No, yung pang 100 year na umatin kami. No, so, I hope next year nandito pa rin kayo. Kaka-attend kayo pa rin. So, maraming salamat po at umatin kayo sa ating once a year na Christmas party. Ito lang masasabi ko, always po, lahat po kayo ay mahal ko. Lahat ng senior ay mahal namin ni Admin Ani. So sana, again, sana yung membership ninyo ay panghabang buhay na po. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po. Mahal din namin kayo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Okay. So hopefully, through the years, tuloy-tuloy pa rin, no? The stronger, the further, the stronger, still kicking alive.
Yes.
Tama ba? Ha? Ay, ang hina. Buhay na buhay. Gutom na. Gutom na. Okay. So, let's start the ball rolling. So, paano pong ano natin? Yeah? Yung first table. Yeah, may table po tayo, no? Table ni